Yesterday we implemented the text file storage for the edit and the complete cases. Before yesterday we only had implemented the text file storage for the adds and the show cases. So when the user added to-dos, they were stored in the to-dos.txt file. So yesterday we also implemented that for edit. As you see, we get the input from the user, we subtract 1 to get the index of that number. So the user wants to edit a to-do item, so they want to provide the index of that item, and then we open the file in read mode. We get the to-dos as a list, we get a new to-do from the user, and then we replace that existing to-do with the new to-do. The new to-do will also have this break line, so that in the text file each of the to-do items is in one separate line. And then once we replace the existing to-do, we open the file in write mode and we write that updated to-dos list in the to-dos.txt file. That's the edit case. The complete case is basically the same. We get the index from the user, we get the number of the to-do item from the user, we open the file in read mode to get the to-dos list, the existing to-dos, then we subtract 1 from the number to get the index, and then we find out which of the to-dos is to be removed. For that we use the list indexing syntax, so to-dos 3 or 4 will give us that to-do. And we strip it out from break lines. So that gives us the to-do, and that removes the break line from that to-do. And then we remove that index from the to-dos. And then we open the file in write mode and we write the updated to-dos list in the file. We also construct a message using an f string. So to-do to remove is replaced by the actual to-do that we got here. And so this is constructed as a string and we print it out in here. And that's what we did yesterday. So thank you and get ready for today's videos. See you in the next ones.